In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Amazon Digital Rewards, promotional credit, and no-rush credits. These are often hidden gems on your account, and today we'll explore how to locate them and maximize their benefits. First, let's talk about what these digital rewards are. When you choose Amazon's no-rush shipping option, that is, opting for a slower shipping method in exchange for rewards, you earn these credits. Similarly, you might acquire them through various Amazon promotions. These credits can typically be used for digital purchases, such as ebooks, movies, apps, and more. They might also go by different names like digital credit, promotional credit, no-rush rewards, or even simply balance. Being aware of what these are can make your shopping experience all the more rewarding. Now, let's dive into how you can check your digital reward balance. Make sure to follow along and try these steps. Open up any web browser and head over to Amazon's website. Sign into your account to ensure that you can access all the personalized details. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account. This is where things might vary slightly between regions, but here are some sections to look for: shopping programs and rentals, no-rush rewards, no-rush summary dashboard, or your payments. You might also find sections labeled payment options or gift cards and promotional codes. If those don't guide you to the right place, there's another handy trick. You can use a direct link designed to help you find your digital credits. For instance, on Amazon.com, there's a specific URL that, once you're signed in, will reveal your credit balances, including your digital reward and no-rush balances. While I can't specify the exact link here, you can usually find it noted in community forums or sometimes suggested on Amazon support pages. Finally, when you're ready to make purchases using these credits, keep an eye on your checkout screen, particularly for digital items like movies and ebooks. Amazon often automatically prompts you to apply any available digital credits, but if it doesn't happen automatically, don't worry. You can manually check and apply them by reviewing the payment options during checkout. This way, you ensure that you make the most out of any rewards you've gathered. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to locating and using your Amazon digital rewards. It's not only about saving money, but also about optimizing your overall Amazon experience. Take a few moments to check your balance. You might be surprised by what you find. Enjoy exploring and happy shopping.